I'm Jared Deanda, and we're talking about customization and how you can make your bike stand out from the rest of the crowd. Believe it or not, both these bikes are Breakout 114. Then with some genuine Harley-Davidson parts and accessories, you can make this an extension of your style and your overall attitude. We'll kick things off with Decorative Collections. It's a great place to start. It can be cost effective, easy to install, and it's a la carte. So you can get one piece or you get the whole collection. You have the Dominion collection on this bike, from the grips to the pegs. Remember, it's replacement parts, so you really want to extend your style. What do you want your bike to look like? Chromed out, right? This is the Defiance collection, the grips, the pegs. It's also got the Ride Free collection, which is Willie G's motto, Ride Free. Next, let's talk about paint. You can't deny a good paint job. It gives the bike a lot of personality. From the limited edition quick shift paint set to the Zephyr blue and black Sunglow option. There's many different options out there. Find the paint that suits your style. On to seats, there's many different options, from material, the design on how it looks, and of course the comfort. You want to be comfortable, but you want it to look good as well. Right here, both these bikes are featuring the Bevel 2-up seat. Last but not least, handlebars. Which way do you want to lay out, right? Do you want to be kind of laid back? Do you want to be aggressive? A dramatic change in visual and riding position. Over there, the 12-inch Fat Apes. They're chrome, they're blingy, right? It's a relaxed cruising style. Over here, you have these bars. Now keep in mind, these are OE. This is original equipment. You don't need to change the bars to get a more aggressive style. Put on this fat riser, aggressive, sporty, forward-leaning, and it looks great. As you can see, this is just a small sampling of how you can customize your bike. From the collection pieces, handlebars, paint, seat. Remember, this is the canvas. You are the artist. So coordinate with your Harley-Davidson dealership to make your bike truly your own.